Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against a Chinese female professional player. I am going to handle white this time. Yeah, she used double 3 and 4. Let's see which move she is going to use. Nowadays even I see the knight move many times, yeah, from the professional players game. Since AlphaGo it wasn't used for a long time, yeah, but nowadays still I can see that again. Will she just invade here? This is also okay. Oh, are you listening? What I'm saying? How can you know? Oh, fine. Okay, I approach here. Oh, somehow I need to be careful. Because I think she is using the 주색이, which I don't really know. When I used this 주색이, my game result wasn't really good.
마지막입니다.
Okay.
하나, 둘,
Let me try new style of the 주색이 this time. Yeah. I just used the
마지막입니다.
shoulder, ignore. You know, there is a sentence. If you don't know how to do that, you just 해놓기.
셋, 넷,
I will follow the traditional sentence this time. If you don't know how to do that, just 해놓기.
하나,
But
둘,
is the sentence used in this situation?
다섯,
Oh, I think somehow she is asking me, come on, yeah.
다섯,
Come on, get in here. Come on. This is what she is talking about now.
하나,
I should do that?
둘, 셋,
Fine, until now it's obvious. And then the point is when she answers. But block is also seems good, isn't it? It's also
하나,
attractive too.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟,
Okay. She was keep asking me to play here, but I just ignore.
하나,
What's
둘,
your answer? Oh, I didn't know push is a vital point.
하나,
I thought that is always supporting me, isn't it?
다섯, 여섯,
Fine, answer first. The upper side is also great. She will catch up the timing of invading there.
넷,
Yeah, now I'm not streaming. Come on, how can you watch this?
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯,
Fine,
일곱,
do it until now and 해놓기. I will not attack. Oh, just pushing here? Really? Yeah.
하나, 둘,
Come on, this is not stream, but she is playing where I'm pointing now. It's very interesting.
하나, 둘,
Alright. So I have to use my position of this extending.
다섯,
It seems so powerful.
일곱,
So I will just play here. Are you gonna jump? Are you gonna jump?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Wow. What is that? It's also a very interesting move.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
I don't know, somehow here is vital point. There are too many vital points now. Okay, she is really telling me she wanna cut here, so I should play here. It's a little bit weaker than just now. And now my next move should be
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
still knight move, seems good. I was just thinking between one space jump and knight move. I don't think she will consider push and cut. She will play one space jump or knight move.
다섯, 여섯,
Those things are quite normal.
아홉.
Wow, it's so great. Wow, it's so great.
둘, 셋, 넷,
Oh, thank you for Patreon. Sorry.
일곱, 여덟,
Patreon, thank you. I think that was just maybe normal supporting. Yeah, it was not stream. Yeah, I just hear the sound.
하나, 둘,
Today is maybe my supporting day there. Oh, by the way, I didn't think a while just now.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Tiger's mouth seems
하나,
sente.
둘, 셋, 넷,
Oh, seriously?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Seriously?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Fine. This block connect?
하나, 둘, 셋,
Can it be bad exchange?
다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
I don't think so.
여덟.
I don't think so. I don't have to skip those exchange.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Anyway, you should say what? Oh,
하나, 둘,
you really crossed the line.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
How can I not capture this? You really crossed the line. I think that was too much.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Oh, I didn't know this was just one time, 보여미. I almost time out. I was thinking whether between just connect and capture. Wow, just now I almost lose my timeout.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, how about the corner? Corner.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Let me save first. And then push and save. She may consider to capture this group and let me get back from here. Anyway, this still it hasn't alive yet.
여섯,
I have to use that benefit.
아홉.
Yeah, she's thinking whether she want me to save this or not.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, take it first.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Oh,
하나,
was I too much?
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Was I too much? Was I too much? Was I too much?
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Alright, let me ask you first.
둘, 셋, 넷,
What's your responding now?
일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
테노키. That means you felt very hard to answer there.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
Then also I
여섯,
should ignore
일곱,
first.
여덟.
Yeah, we break each other now. It's very messy now.
하나, 둘, 셋.
Oh, and then answer? Really? But that shape is like a bit broken, isn't it?
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
Even when I answer, settling here is very hard. That's the problem for her.
하나,
Okay, what if I just connect there?
넷, 다섯, 여섯.
The problem is black shape is so bad. She can only consider here, but still the shape doesn't seem good.
넷,
Let's just see.
다섯, 여섯,
7.
일곱.
Oh ho ho ho. Fine.
둘, 셋, 넷,
Okay, ask you. Wow, shape is really broken shape, but she can still accept.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
바둑 두고 있어. 이따가 바둑 두어. Sorry, my wife called me just now.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
Are you sure? Can you save that? Was it too hurry? I can even extend it there first.
넷,
Let's see here. What's your performance now?
하나,
What is your performance now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I losing capturing race?
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
I was a bit careless just now. I think capturing race my condition, the performance was not right. I need to extend that. I added to wedge just now.
넷,
Okay. Relax.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Relax. 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 It doesn't mean this is making longer liberty.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Alright. This Hane is not gonna help her anything.
하나, 둘,
Block is nothing problem, I think. Oh. You don't care that's bad exchange or not.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
She doesn't even care.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Here, still I can make the condition of the sacrifice. But what about I just set up the net?
둘, 셋, 넷,
Oh no, here cutting seems Aju is so bad.
여덟, 아홉.
I don't know. Just follow my feeling.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
5 liberties now. That seems nothing more.
아홉.
Okay, cut
하나,
here.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Oh. So now that means she can try to push and cut there as well.
넷, 다섯,
That Aju is
여섯.
still not really clean. That is what you're talking about.
하나, 둘,
She will definitely push and cut there.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay. Capturing seems very attractive. Okay, just answer. Answer first. And here is also in trouble. I will just get there. If she is trading there. Yeah, I know there is Aji definitely. Yeah, and then attach. Oh no, my son wakes up. Let me finish this game quickly.
하나, 둘,
Yes,
셋, 넷,
it's last to boil me. I'm in a hurry.
일곱.
What is that? Okay, that's the net anyway. But
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
okay,
여섯.
I cannot play there. Are you okay? Fine. Still okay, you are saying that's the net.
하나,
1, 2, 3.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Isn't it so terrible? How about time to resign now?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Okay,
다섯, 여섯.
Daddy is going
일곱,
soon.
여덟,
Somehow my son wakes up.
아홉.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
하나,
2. Okay, fine. This is Sente. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 liberties. 1, 2, 3, 4.
하나,
Nothing.
둘,
Okay. Please resign. I need to go back quickly.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
Sorry,
다섯,
everybody.
여섯.
I didn't know my son can wake up now. It's like midnight. Oh, why are you keep playing one? What is there?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Ah, you have to surround? Really? Okay, if she doesn't resign, I think I need to bring my son here. Oh, finally resigned. Thank you so much everybody for watching my video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Bye.